Defining moments in association with Fortis.
What I believe about life is you should do something that actually suits your personality. Let's face it, we're sort of working the best years of our lives, most of our waking hours. Well, I started my life off as a lawyer, and then very slowly I sort of started realizing, actually, it doesn't really suit me. I went to stay with my brother in New York, and I remember coming across something called New World coffee. I fell in love with skinny lattes and fat-free muffins. I remember just thinking, this is wonderful. I came back to London with my brother, and I said to him, I just wish we had those New York style coffee bars. I was convinced that there was a real gap in the market, and that's the night I became an entrepreneur. And I started Coffee Republic. It took us about a year to open the first store, and then we grew from 1 to 7, 30, 60, 80, 100. So I left in 2001. I realized once I left, that dream I had for my career about loving what I do, that dream had come true in building Coffee Republic.
Defining moments in association with Fortis.